Check out my Hunter ceiling fan after the intro. So I've had the ceiling fan in my room for many years, and it's a lifesaver during the summer. I mean, I love it. Sometimes, turning on the AC is just a little overkill for the whole house, and open the windows, you turn on this fan, and it's great. It has a remote control, 3 speeds, has a light, little pull string, but you can also control that from the remote control. Super convenient, and just wanted to pay tribute to my awesome ceiling fan for keeping me cool during the summers.
You are being hypnotized by the sun to subscribe.